I just was approved for this $25,000 credit card, and it did not result into a hard inquiry pull. The approval for this account was based on my social media accounts. I was able to customize this card and pick out the color of this card. We're going to dive in to the details of this card and how you can be approved. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video.
Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how I got approved for a $25,000 credit card with no hard inquiry pull. Now, the determination for my approval was based on my social media accounts. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you credit information no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. The link is in the description of this video. We also have letter packages for all of your negative items, so you can pick that up also through that link. Now, make sure you are aware of scammers in the comment section. They do use my photo and reply to your comments. So if I'm replying, my name will be highlighted in gray. You can simply click on the photo and make sure the subscriber count to that channel matches this channel subscriber count. So let's jump into this information. Now, the card that I showed you, that card was designed by me and it was given through a company named Karat. Karat is a fintech company that is looking to help those in the creator community, and they are going to produce not only just this credit card but other services for creators. Now, with this card is a 0 annual fee and 0 interest. The way they set up the platform, that when you use that card, they get paid for the merchant fees. So with this card, it helps you to build your social media influence by getting cameras, paying for your subscriptions, and you can do that interest free. Now, they also give you referral bonuses with this company. They go from $250 per referral all the way up to $1,000. Now, if you have did referrals before for other credit card companies, they cap you off generally about 5 people annually a year that you will be able to refer, and their referral fees will be about $100 to $500. Not with this company. You can continually get that referral fee. Now, they also offer you bonuses on things in categories that you choose, like equipment, travel, by using your card. And with this company, they don't look at your credit for your qualification, because they understand that the new age content creator may just be 18 years old. A great part of this company, they also will issue cards for people outside of the United States. The only qualification, if you're located and based out of the United States, you do have to have a bank account in the US in order for you to qualify for the card. Now, when they initially was offering this card, they had a waiting list, and their underwriting requirements was for an approval. You would have to have 100,000 subscribers on your social media accounts. But they are now changing those underwriting requirements, and they're looking at people with smaller social media accounts. But what they do is connect to your bank account via Plaid. And so with Plaid, they're looking at your income to determine what your credit line will be. Now, one of the things they are looking as a requirement for you to maintain $10,000 in your accounts. So it doesn't have to be $10,000 and up in one account. You can connect to multiple accounts, and they will increase your credit line if you get qualified at the beginning with a credit line, but you're not satisfied. You can possibly increase that by connecting to one of your other accounts, and they will add it up to determine what your credit line will be. And you can get an increase even if you are initially qualified for a credit line. As you use the card, they can increase your line of credit. Now, with this card, you want to keep in mind it is a charge card, so that's why they're looking for that $10,000 maintain minimum, because with a charge card, you have to pay that balance off at the beginning of the month. So they do offer auto pay to pay off your charges, where they will take it out of your account and pay the card off. One great feature they do offer, if you are trying to build your credit, you can report this line of credit to the credit bureaus. But if you don't choose to, you don't have to go with that option to report that credit line. Now, I want to show you the card itself in the presentation, because with this company, the level of service that they have, once you get approved, they will set you up with a representative to go over all your options with this card. They also are going to roll out services for bookkeeping and tax preparation, and to have a CPA to work with you if you're looking for help, because as a content creator, it's very hard to navigate through all your deductions. So they are setting that up. Also, in the near future, they're looking to hopefully supply car loans to creators, mortgages to creators, to help service them. Because if you're a full-time creator, or if you're a part-time creator and you're getting sponsorships and income, a lot of times banks have a hard time determining for you to get approved for a loan with this kind of income. So they are going to help fill that space. But their most recent rollout will be targeting on the bookkeeping side and the tax side of this. And they are going to allow people that's outside the United States to get this card if you just have an account here in the US. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and I want to show you guys the boxing that this card came in the presentation. And like I said, the level of service on this card is out of this world. They have a concierge service, and you can always reach out to your rep and they will respond back with your questions answered if they have an answer, even if it's outside of the financial realm. So let's look at the unboxing of this card. Now let's go through the unboxing of this card. Now here's the box that the card came in, and it's black and gold, so it really gives it a prestigious type of feel. The thing I was impressed with about this company, from me applying for the application to receiving this card, took in total of 4 days. They overnighted this card to me, and the process of them building the card, when they do the mock-up of the card, they will send you a text and they will send you a link. You can see the mock-up of the card. Then when they start to create the card, they will send you a text and a link, and they will send you the video that I included in the opening of this video. They'll show you them creating the card. So when you open the card, they do have this beautiful interior, especially with the black and the gold. They also give you the logo, and they give you the cards to follow the social media. But as you can see, this is a metal card, and you're able to design it. For me, myself, I put one of my favorite Bibles. It's this Bible verses here, Proverbs 4 and 7. And you can tailor the card to your own liking. For me, that scripture motivates me. So it was really wonderful to have that opportunity to customize the card your way. And you can pick your color for the card and the weight of this card. It's a very heavy card, so it gives you the feel of a Apple card, American Express card, and the weight of this card is super heavy. So if you guys are interested, if you're in the content creator space, like I said, I'll leave the link in the description of this video where you can see if you can qualify and sign up for this card. Like I said, this is an awesome opportunity for them to service the creator space. They will be rolling out other services, and they have networking events. So if you're looking to even grow your social media platform, this can be a great opportunity. If you have a team, they have virtual cards, so you can check this out. Now, if you have any questions for me, you can leave it in the comment section, or feel free to reach me at my website. Now, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.